Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start inside your profile, tap the avatar at bottom right, and open the three-line menu. Once done, choose Settings, then look for Privacy or Security depending on your app version. This is where Instagram stores activity and search history controls. You want to reach your activity or search history area because video watch records are tied to those logs. Make sure you're using the latest app. Updating avoids hidden menu labels and ensures the correct controls appear. Now find your activity, then tap Watch History or Recent Searches. Instagram sometimes groups video views in those sections. You'll see entries listed chronologically. Tap the three dots or press and hold an item to reveal delete options. If there's a filter, choose videos to narrow results and speed deletion. For multiple clips, use Select or Edit mode, check items, then choose Delete or Remove. This clears the linkage between those videos and your recommendations and search suggestions. Finish by confirming deletions and then close and reopen the app to refresh account settings. That ensures recommendations update. If deleted items reappear, clear the app cache Android or reinstall the app iOS/Android, and make sure your account isn't synced across other devices that repopulate history. If problems persist after cache and reinstall, try signing out and back in. As a last resort, contact Instagram support with specific timestamps and device info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.